Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this transparent text in Pixellab using Pixellab app. It's a very simple one to do. In my past video I've shown you how I made the other one. This is another method of making something like this. Now let's go over to Pixellab. Delete it, go to your text, you write what you want. Make it capital letter. Another thing is go to align it and go to position, take it to the middle, increase the size. Now font, go to your font. I'll choose this font on my own, and I need to increase the size more. Now I have what I want. Now you need to go to your color. Click this plus sign here. Now you see these long rectangles here. Go to the down one. That circle, tap on it and shift it down there. So you can see your text is now completely transparent. Another thing is go to your stroke, enable it. Now you have something like this. Can you see that? So the next thing, go to inner shadow. Increase the blur radius to 11. Go to shadow. Decrease the, keep the opacity at 50. The blur radius, take it down. Keep the blur radius at about 0. Then take the opacity to 0 also. Now you have something like this. So another thing you have to do is go to the stroke. You can leave it like this, or I want to take my stroke width to 3. So this is very simple. Now go to your gallery. And choose this water sprinkle. Okay. Now you go to your opacity. Take down the opacity. Maybe at 50. The next thing is go to emboss. Enable the emboss. Take the intensity to 100. The ambient light, keep it at 51. Spectacular hardness 51. The bevel, reduce it to 0. I have what you want. You need to subscribe to my channel for the next videos. Thank you.